Today practical is monostable multivibrator using the IC 555. Now see, this is a circuit diagram of triple 5. Now see this ICs. This is a 8 pin IC. Now see, in the 8 pin IC, pin number 8 and the pin number 4 directly connected to the VCC. Pin number 6 and 7 are short. Now see here, pin number 1 is ground and pin number 5, through this capacitor C2 0.01 microfarad is ground, and output of the circuit is pin number 3. Here we are connecting resistor and LED. Now see the circuit other connection. See here, pin 4.7 4.7K resistor and R2 10K pot are connected to the series, and this other end of this pot is connected to the pin number 6 and 7, and here also connecting 1000 microfarad capacitor, and the other end of the capacitor is ground. Now see here the pin number 2 are connecting here the 12K resistor, and 12K other end resistor is VCC, and here we are connecting one switch, and this is your circuit connections. Now I am going to assemble the circuit. Now see, this is your IC, triple 5 IC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see the circuit diagram, pin number 4 and the 8 are short. So I indicated the wire, red color of the wire. See here, pin number 8 is here. So I connected here properly. Pin number 8 to VCC. This is pin number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll take up now. Pin number 4. Okay, this is pin number 8 and 4 is VCC, and pin number 1 is ground. So I indicated the black color of the wire. This is your pin number 1, ground, and pin number 6 and 7 are short, indicated yellow color of the wire. This is pin number 6 and 7. Pin number 4.7 are connected to the VCC. This is your 4.7. So we are connecting here 4.7 VCC, and here another end we are connecting to the, here see, this is your potentiometer, and potentiometer one end connected here, and another end it is a pin number 6 and 7. Okay, now we indicated. Next, connecting the capacitor. Okay, so this is your capacitor, we are connecting here. Here to here. Okay, let's see. This is small jumper we are connecting here, and we are connecting capacitor. See, this is a negative part and this is positive part. Positive part going to up and negative part in down. This is ground here. Okay. Next is pin number 5. Pin number 5 here. So we'll connect it here properly. Pin number 5. This is through this capacitor, ceramic capacitor, it is a ground. Okay, first this is jumper and this is your capacitor, ceramic 0.01 microfarad, it is ground. Pin number 5 to capacitor. Next is here 12K of the resistor. This is your 12K of resistor directly connect to the VCC. Directly connect to the VCC and other end connect to the pin number 2, indicated yellow color of the wire. Connecting here one jumper. This is your pin number 2, connecting to here to here. Take measurement properly. Use nose plier and cutter. Cut the wire properly. Okay. And this is your switch. Pin number 2 we are connecting here. And the last is your output of the circuits. This is your resistor, pin number 3. So this is your pin number 3 we are connecting here. Yeah, this is your resistor 330 ohm. And one LED. See this LEDs, long is positive and this is negative, anode and cathode. So cathode is indicated here, cut points are there. So we connecting like this and see your circuit is completed. Now we taking the readings here. Now see, this is your digital multimeter. Now in this digital multimeter we are measuring the ohms, kilo ohms. We are adjusting in this pot. We are adjusting here this pot for to reduce here. R1 to R2 we are adjusting here through this potentiometer 9.09 kilo ohms. Okay, so we are connecting like this one and we are now see we are taking the reading for this circuit monostable multivibrator. This is your multimeter. We are converting on ohm. Now we are measuring here. See here R1 to R2 we are adjusting 9.09 and your T is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, so we are connecting one end here and other end here. So we are adjusting with this pot 9.09. It's okay. Now we are connecting here in this place with number 7. We are connecting power supply on the power supply and see here with just 1, 2, 3 the switch is on. See the circuit is working and this time we are measuring here. Now the see how to take the readings here. Here is a R value is 9.09K and capacitor value is 1000 microfarad. Now we will start the reading. See here 1, 2, 3 start. Okay, when okay, see here so T is equal to 10.10. Again we'll take this reading in this way. 1, 2, 3 start. Okay, next is 9.94. Last reading 1, 2, 3 start. Okay, 10.02. T1, T2, T3 will measure this one and will calculate the mean. Their objection table may be nearby 10 seconds. Now, so here I end my video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye. See you next time.